Hi, so this is answer to a few questions on the avocado problem, forecasting problem. And the first question relates to the second graph, which shows the end point going down. And it's good to notice points like this. This is obviously not right. So what's going on here, and how can we fix it? Well, first of all, I would click on the chart itself, on the line, on that particular line that we're trying to look at, and it highlights over here in the table where our data is, and there you see the problem. So the data is going down, or the chart is charting a line that goes past the data and treats this as a zero. And it's really easy to fix this. We just move it, if I can get it to move up. Just move it up to match the data we want. When I release this, voila, the descending line is gone. Okay, so that's the first problem. Now we have, a pretty good chart. The next question was rotated the labels, but now instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it's showing 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So I'm gonna click on the labels, and I'm going to look at over here in Axis Options. So you have Axis Options up here at the top, but then where you have this little bar chart looking icon, that's also Axis Options. And we click on that, and then there's Axis Options again. It's getting a little bit tiresome, and we go down to number, and well, I thought we did. Let's see where we are. So here it says specify the interval between the labels, and it's on automatic, and that's what made this. So let's go to specify interval units and click on that, and it's 1, and now we've got all of those numbers without skipping any of the numbers. And then the third question was, my legend says organic instead of organic series. We've got well, I'm not seeing that. I guess that was on the other one. Here you've got conventional and conventional price. Down here you see organic. This is the third chart, and organic price. But we really want like conventional sales. And so if I click on these and right click and I say select data, and then here's conventional price, but here's just conventional, and I said edit, it's going to this cell up here. Let's cancel this all and get out and look at it. It's flagging this cell right here, which only has conventional on it, whereas on the if you're looking at the conventional price, I've actually written in conventional price here and organic price, and I had already done that, and that's why you see down here, you see organic price and conventional price. You have conventional price. So this is conventional sales. I have to get my fingers located. Sales, and organic sales. At least this is one way to do it. And then you have conventional sales and conventional price, organic sales, organic price, and they're all labeled. The last question that I received, I'm not sure that I totally understand, says, remember that we talked about the bottom cells showing up label. I know that you deleted it. However, are we supposed to leave bottom cells empty? You only leave the bottom cells empty on the, well, they're empty on the data. That's as far as we go. And you want them empty on the error terms. You want the bottom cells populated with the forecast, but not with the error terms, because in the error terms you're subtracting the actual from the forecast, or the forecast from the actual, and you don't have the data for both of those. So you're subtracting this from this and there's nothing here, and so that can't work. So on the error terms, we want them blank. You are given them blank on the actual terms, the actual sales and the actual price. And so since we've got a blank there, when we do the error terms, we'd be subtracting from nothing, and that would not be meaningful. So on the error terms, we leave the bottom row blank. Hopefully that's explains what you were looking for. Thanks.